On Cooking with Adam, tonight we will be making from HelloFresh mushroom gravy chicken over couscous with lemony arugula. Stay tuned. Hey guys, before we get started, as always, I want to thank everyone for watching the video. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you like the video, please smash that like button. As always, I have the step-by-step guide in the link in the description below, as well as a link to the cooking tools and a link to trial HelloFresh should you want them. With that said, let's get going. Here are the ingredients we are working with tonight. Pretty simple meal to make, so it should be pretty straightforward. First, we have 4 ounces of button mushrooms. We have 1 small lemon. We have a half a cup of Israeli couscous. We have 2 cloves of garlic. We have approximately, because they don't break it down for you, 2 ounces of sour cream in this weird package. We have 12 ounces of chicken, boneless, skinless chicken breast, about 6 ounces a piece, give or take. We have some thyme. Does not tell you how much thyme, does it? Yeah, it does. It is 1/4 ounce of thyme. We have 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Two ounces of arugula. Even though it's washed, I would always recommend washing it again. Obviously, that's your choice. And last but not least, some chicken concentrate. About 1 ounce. 1 fluid ounce. Alright, as for utensils, as always, we'll need a medium to large size pan. We'll need a baking sheet. We'll need a pot. We'll need a medium-sized bowl. Measuring cup will help. Strainer. We'll need 3 bowls, or whatever you want to use, containers, to slice and dice 3 ingredients. You'll need some cooking spray. You'll need some Reynolds wrap or aluminum foil. Your favorite knife, salt and pepper, and as always, olive oil. I'm going to rinse the produce and I'll be right back. Step is we will add about 3 cups of water to a pot with a little salt, maybe a pinch, and bring that to a boil. Here are the marching orders for the ingredients. We're going to take about a teaspoon of the thyme. We're going to thinly slice the garlic and thinly slice the mushrooms. Pretty simple. Alright, so now we're going to take the chicken out of the paper towel wrap and season both sides with salt and pepper. As always, push it in, a little pepper. And flip. And repeat. Rub that in. A little salt. And now we're going to add the couscous to the water and cook the chicken about 3 minutes aside. Okay, the salted water is now boiling, so add the couscous, and we're gonna let it boil for about 9 minutes. As always, we're gonna add a little oil to the pan. Let that heat up a little bit. Spread it around. Go. Now I'm going to add the chicken 3 minutes aside on a medium to high flame. Alright, so we're now going to flip. So cook for 3 more minutes, and then we're going to put it on the baking sheet. Go in the oven for about 11. Alright, so it's time to put the chicken in the oven, give the baking sheet a little spray, and we're going to transfer into the oven for about 11 minutes. Or until there's no more pink inside. So that's the next step. We're now going to add a little oil to the pan. We're going to cook the mushrooms for about 4 minutes. Drain the couscous, take the strainer over the sink, pour it in, shake it a little bit, pour it back, and cover the pot. Pretty simple. About 2 minutes left. Mushroom's doing pretty well. And we have about 6 minutes left on the chicken. Alright, so we're just about ready to add the garlic. I'll cook this for about 30 seconds so it's nice, aromatic and fragrant. Next we're going to add the chicken stock. Take it all of it out of the package. The thyme sprig. And a half a cup of water. We'll reduce the heat to a simmer and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, after we let it cool for about 2 minutes, we are going to stir in the mustard and the sour cream. So we're going to do that. Mustard first. And now the sour cream. One, here's two. together. Right now that's all nicely combined. It tells you to take out the Thai sprigs. I'm going to leave them in. I happen to like them, but that's your choice. We're going to now add a little dash of salt and pepper. And next up, we're going to toss the salad. Half the lemon, and then prepare the arugula salad. And a pinch of pepper. Almost done. Here we go with the salad. Toss the arugula into your bowl. Shake it all in there. So I'm a little stubborn. And take the lemon, of course, wash it first. Cut it in half. Little spurts on the salad. Good dose of olive oil. And some salt and pepper. Go. Then toss. Goes all nicely covered. Salad is done. Pretty simple, right? Now play in the dish. So and take some of the couscous. Just move around a little bit. Take a piece of chicken, put it on top. Side. I'm going to take the mushrooms and the gravy, or sauce, however you like to call it, and give it a nice topping. There you have it. Tiny spoon. Stay tuned for the final thoughts. It was really good, very tasty, very flavorful. Chicken was very tender and delicate. It's delicious. There's no question about the flavoring of the meal. The only problem is there's not enough couscous for 2 people. So there's plenty of arugula, there's plenty of chicken, there's even good amount of mushrooms and the sauce. It's just the couscous is a little bit light. So if they up this to a whole cup instead of half a cup, I think that would have been a wise decision. So it was enough for, and even distributed for 2 people. So aside from that, it was really good. I'd make this again. No changes except for more couscous. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. If you are not a subscriber yet, please consider subscribing. Until next time, stay cooking.